Here we will show you how to make your own transparent stickers. For this task, we will use a printed design, some transparent tape, and water. First, we print the design that we will use as a sticker. The design must be laser printed. Next, we use the transparent tape on top of the printing. Then we cut the sticker. Place the cutout inside a bowl of warm water and leave it for 1 or 2 minutes. Using the fingers, we proceed to scrape the paper until we leave only the printout in the tape. Then we place the sticker over the surface and let it dry for a few minutes.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.